Hello everyone, my name is Saiful Anam with the last number name 138. Now I will presentation about CID or computer aided design. I will explain about this material with my friend and I will explain first material and will continue with my friend. Unlocking efficiency, the power of electrical CID. Discover how computer-aided design revolution electrical engineer from conceptualization to manufacturing. This presentation explore the core concept, practical application, and advanced automation future of electrical CID. What is the CID? For definition, computer-aided design use software to create, modify, analyze, or optimize two-dimension and three-dimension graphical design, replacing manual drafting with digital precision. For the purpose, CID increase designer productivity, improve design quality, and accelerate the product development cycle from concept to final product. And the foundation, CID design serve as the foundation for computer-aided manufacturing or CAM and computer-aided engineering or CAI. Advance of CID software. Increase efficiency, accelerate the design cycle by allowing rapid modification and virtual testing, reducing the need for physical prototypes. Enhance accuracy, perform complex dimensional calculation and detect conflict, drastically increasing design accuracy. Improve collaboration. Facilitate real-time sharing and access for a global team, minimizing communication error and ensuring consistency. CID is a fundamental digital tool for conceptualizing, creating, modify, and optimizing product design virtual bridge creative idea with manufacturing process. Navigating the electrical CID. Navigating the electrical CID interface. The electrical CID user interface is designed for specific electrical filter. Key components include first, ribbon, menu trip with command group by function, like home or schematic. Next, drawing area, main workspace for design creation and modification. Next, command line or bar, area for text command and program feedback. Next, project browser or manager organize drawing, cross-reference, and generate report for the entire project. And the last, status bar, contain drafting aid like ortho, snap, grid, and object snap for precision. Setting up your driving environments. Proper setup ensures consistent, accurate, and readable design. Before starting a design, defining the drawing environment is crucial. First, unit definition. Set measurement millimeter, inches, or meter for all dimension. Second, drawing limit. Define the maximum available working area in the viewport. Third, precision setting. Determine the number of decimal place for dimension. Fourth, visual configuration. Select background color, grid display, and snap distance for accurate object placement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present my assessment and module English entitled Unlocking Efficiency, the Power of Electrical Gate. I will continue present on chapter 5. Let me introduce. My name is Afid Aziz Dermawan with student ID 2505080013. Unlocking efficiency The Power of Electrical CAD. Discover how computer-aided design revolutionized electrical engineering. From conceptualizing and manufacturing, this portion explored the core concept, practical application, and advanced automation feature of electrical CAD. In the next, mastering basic CAD commands. CAD software commands are categorized into draw, modify, and utility or view, enabling users to create and manipulate 2D or 3D geometry efficiently. Point 1. Draw command. Create basic object like lines, circle, arc, polygon, and text. Point 2. Modify commands. Change, move, copy, rotate, mirror, trim, and extend existing object. Point 3. Utility or view commands. Navigate with zoom and pan and organize objects using layout for well-structured drawing. And the next, applying electrical symbol and systematic. In electrical CAD, standardized symbols are crucial for creating clear, compliant circuit diagram. Point 1. Basic electrical symbol. The symbol represents various electrical components. A.G, pointer, motor, resistor, switches, and user uniform understanding across designers, technicians, and manufacturers. Standard symbol facilitate efficient installation, troubleshooting, and maintenance. Point 2. Drawing electrical systematic. A CAD software allows engineers to create detailed circuit and wiring diagram by placing standard symbol and connecting them. It automates text like where numbering and bill of material done, generation, reducing error, and speeding up design. And the next, dimensioning, annotation, layout, and plotting. This step transforms visual model into informative, reproducible working drawing. Dimensioning assigns numerical value and geometric symbol to specific object size and shape, ensuring accuracy and adherence to drafting standard. Annotation and on-dimensional textual elements like technical notes, balance, and GD and T communicate specific manufacturing and assemble information. Layout and plotting. Prepare and drawing for printing by setting scale, orientation, and viewport in paper specs, then configuring printer setting and professional output. And the next, automation component and report. A CAD streamlines designed by automatic component creating and report generation, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Creating component and terminal. Designer use rich symbol libraries or create custom component, defining graphical representation, connecting point, and non-graphical data. Terminal add group into virtual block for panel layout and wire connection report. Automatic report, it can abstract technical data to compile structured report like bill of material or PUM, where list and terminal list. This automation ensures document is synchronized with design, reducing error and accelerating production. And the next, symbol data change, import, and export. Data import and export functions are vital for interoperability and collaboration across the product development chain. Point 1. Import brings in geometry or design data from external sources, allowing the use of existing components for client or other software. Point 2. Save complete get designed into a format readable by other program, such as GAN for CNC program or CHI for simulation analysis. Point 3. Standard format relies on universal format like DXF, GBT, STEP, and IGES to ensure seamless data exchange and effective collaboration through the production life cycle. And since finished or in presentation, I will close my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, I'm Rizky Aprian, an electrical engineering student at the State University of Semarang. NIM 25005080035. Wants to teach you regarding maximum power transfer theory. Optimizing energy delivery. The maximum power transfer theory is a fundamental concept in electrical engineering that defines the condition under which a load receives the maximum possible power from a source. The principle is crucial for electrical engineering students, electronic engineers, and practitioners seeking to optimize system performance. Understanding this theorem allows engineers to design systems where signal or energy delivery to a specific device is maximized. The, des- Despite the inherent internal resistance or impedance or real-world power source. The core concept, internal resistance and power loss. Every real electrical source, whether a battery, a generator, or a complex driven equality talent circuit, possess an inherent internal resistance or impedance. This internal opposition to current flow means that a portion of the energy generated by the source is dissipated within the source itself, typically as heat. Consequently, the power delivered to an external load is not always at its maximal potential. To achieve maximum power transfer, a specific relation must exist between the load's resistance and the source internal resistance. Maximum power transfer theory statement. A load receives maximum power from a source when load's resistance is equal to source internal resistance conjugate for the source internal impedance for AC circuit. Maximum power transfer in DC circuit. In direct current circuit, the maximum power transfer occurs when the load resistance precisely matches the internal resistance of the source. This balance ensures that the voltage divides equal across these two resistance, allowing the load to absorb the largest possible amount of power. 1. Rail source. Railward DC source. Battery power adapters are not ideal. They always have an internal resistance. Load variation. If RL is too small, current is high, but power loss is RS is significant. If RL is too large, current is low, and power to the load is minimal. 3. Optimal balance. The sweet spot for maximum power delivery to the load occur when RL sama dengan RS. The maximum power atau Pmax delivered to the load in a DC circuit can be calculated using the formula derived from Devon's equivalent circuit. Pmax sama dengan WT kuadrat H per 4 RTH, where VTH is the Thevenin equivalent voltage and RTH is Thevenin equivalent resistance, which represents source internal resistance. This formula lists that's at the maximum power transfer. 50% of the total power generated by the source is dissipated internally, and 50% is delivered to the load. The maximum power transfer in AC circuit. In alternating current circuit, the concept of internal resistance expands to impedance within with include both resistance and reactant. The source impedance is denoted as ZS sama dengan RS plus JXS, and the load impedance is ZL sama dengan RL plus JXL. For maximum power transfer in AC circuits, the load impedance must be the complex conjugate of the source impedance. This means 1. The load resistance must be equal to the source resistance. The load reactant must have the same magnitude but opposite sign as the source reactant. Thus, the condition for maximum power transfer in AC is ZL sama dengan ZS, where ZS is complex conjugate of ZS. This condition cancel out the reactive component, making the overall circuit purely resistive and ensuring the current is paced with the voltage, leading to a power factor of 1. The maximum power to the load is then Pmax sama dengan VT kuadrat H per 4 RS. The VTH is the Devon equivalent voltage of the AC source, and RS is the resistive part of the surge impedance. Efficiency at the maximum power transfer, a critical consideration. While the maximum power transfer theory aims to deliver the highest possible power to the load, it's important to understand the associated efficient in both DC and AC circuit. When the condition for maximum power transfer are met, the efficiency is actually 50%. This means half of the total power generated by the source is dissipated as heat within its internal resistance. DC circuit effectivity. When RL sama dengan RS, the voltage is equally divided. Half the power is lost in RS and half reaches RL. AC circuit effective. When ZL sama dengan ZS, reactive part cancel, but the power division between RS and RL, which are equal, remains 50/50. The efficiency can be calculated as N sama dengan P load per P total kali 100%. The plot is the power delivered to the load. P total tot is the total power generated by the source at maximum power. This ratio 0,5 or 50%. This low efficiency means that maximum power transfer is not suitable for application where energy conservation is paramount, such as in large-scale power distribution system. Instead, it is pre prior prioritizes a scenario where signal strength of information delivery is critical. Practical application of maximum power transfer. Despite the 50% efficient, the maximum power transfer theorem incredibly important in specific field of electronic and electrical engineer. Its application is crucial where the primary goal is to maximize the transfer of signal or energy to a specific device, even if it means sacrificing some overall efficiency. One, audio amplifiers, matching the output impedance of an amplifier to the input impedance of a speaker ensure maximum housing power delivery, optimizing sound equal and volume. 2. Antenna. For optimal reception or transmission, the impedance of an antenna is matched to the transmission line and transceiver, minimi- minimizing signal reflection and maximizing signal strength. 3. Communication system. In radio frequency circuit, signal integrity is paramount. Impedance matching prevent signal loss and ensure clear communication over distance. 5. Sensor interfacing. When connection sensor to measure circuit, matching their output impedance to the circuit input impedance can maximize the signal to noise ratio and measurement accuracy. Understanding impedance conjunction in AC system. The concept of complex conjugate impedance is central to achieving maximum power transfer in AC circuit. This elegant mathematical solution ensure that the reactive component of the source and load impedance perfectly cancel each other out, leaving only the resistive component to handle the power transfer. When ZL sama dengan ZS, where ZS sama dengan RS, mean TXS, resistive match. The real part of the impedance are equal. RL sama dengan RS. Reactive cancellation. The imaginary part are equal in magnitude but opposite in sig. XL sama dengan XS. This means that if the source has inductive reactance, the load should have capacitive reactant of the same magnitude and vice versa. The cancellation of reactant is critical because it eliminates phase shift between voltage and current caused by reactive element. When the reactive component cancel, the total impedance seen by the source become purely resistive, and the power factor become unity, maximizing the active power delivered to the load without impedance conjugation. Reactive power will circulate between the source and load, reducing the efficiency of active power delivery. Why maximum power transfer isn't always the goal, while maximizing power to the load seems intuitive. The 50% efficiency inherent in maximum power transfer theory is not universally applied. The design called dictates whether this principle is beneficial or detrimental when used signal in application radio frequency communication audio system and sensor network with primary concern if often the strength and integrity when avoid to avoid energy efficient for large scale power delivery system such as the electrical grid or power supplies for industrial machinery. Conclusion, a balanced perspective. The maximum power transfer theory is a powerful analytical tool that helps engineers understand the fundamental limits of power delivery from a score to a load. It is like a specific operating point where the load receives the greatest possible power, but at the cost 50% effective. This theory is not a universal design directive, but specialized principle applied strategically. Its importance lies in system optimization. It enables the design of system, particularly in communication and audio, where signal fidelity and strength are priorities over energy effective. Understanding trade-off, it forces engineers to consider the trade-off between maximizing power to the load and maximizing overall system efficiency. Could design decision based on application specific requirement. Foundation for further study. It serves as uh, foundational concept for more advanced topic information matching, filter design, and RF engineering. By understanding when and why to apply the maximum power transfer theory, engineers can make informed choice that lead to robust, like performing electronic system. Sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Billahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm here I will brightnesses, lightning circuit, and electrical outlet layout design. Understanding electrical outlet and their primary function. An electrical outlet serves as the crucial connection point between an electrical power source and various electronic devices. Unlike switches, outlet provide connection slot without an on or off button. Causing high quality outlet is paramount for ensuring both safety and long-term durability in any installation. Standard electrical wear color code for safe installation. For parts wear is the color brown or red for primary pass, black for secondary pass. These carry the main electrical current. And a neutral wire is the color blue. This wire completes the circuit returning current to source. And last, ground wire. The color is yellow and green, essential for safety, providing a path for fault current to prevent shocks. Understanding this color code is critical to prevent incorrect connection and significantly reduce the risks of short circuit and electrical hazard. Cable installation technique is 2-point in wall versus surface mounted. In wall or in bow. This picture one in the left, cable and outlet are erected into the walls, offering a clean, aesthetically pleasing and permanent vision. This method enhances safety and visual appeal. And then surface mount or outbow. These in picture 2, cable and outlet are installed on the surface of the wall, making them easy to modify, install, and generally more cost effective, ideal for flexible setup or temporary installations. An optimal placement of electrical outlet and switches for convenience. For optimal accessibility and safety, radical outlet and switches should ideally be installed at shoulder height. This ergonomic position simplifies access, minimizes the risk of accidentally bump or interference, and help keep cabling steady and secure, reducing potential hazard. Household electrical outlet variant diagram. For household installation, it is recommended to use 3.2.5 mm cables to support capacity ranging from 900 volts to 40,400 volts. This ensures adequacy for power delivery for most applications. Cable connection must adhere to color standard: black for line or pass, blue for neutral, and yellow for ground. Connecting U and yellow in parallel ensure uniform electrical distribution and avoid overloading a single point. Basic lightning circuit diagram. A fundamental lightning circuit comprises a power source, a switch connection cable, and like fixture itself. Number 2, power source. It is for assembly voltage circuit. And number 2, switch control flow of electrical. Number 3, connections cable carry current between components. And number 4, light bulb convert electrical energy to light. Safe and efficient circuit and outlet layout. An effective layout solves minimize cable lag and prevent overlapping to reduce interference and potential hazard. 2A1 unitless cable protector to neatly conceal surface mount or outbow wire, enhancing aesthetic and safety. Number 2, ensure proper grounding is implemented throughout the system to prevent electrical shock and protect against faults. Tips for selecting and installing quality electrical outlet. Number 2. Material quality. Choose outlet made from heat-resistant material that include proper grounding features for enhanced safety. Number 2. Secure connection. Regularly inspect cable connection to ensure they are thick and secure, preventing loose contact that could lead to short circuits. Number 3. Adequate outlets. Install outlet with a sufficient number of points to meet the needs of your electrical device, avoiding the overuse of multi-points. And last conclusion, proper design ensures safety and comfort is 3 points. Number 1. Effective lighting circuit and electrical outlet design must strictly adhere to standard color code and installation techniques. Number 2. Ergonomic placement of outlet and switches is significantly enhances user convenience and accessibility. Number 3. The selection of high quality component and a neat layout are critical for preventing electrical wrecks and supplying future maintenance. Producing truthful design leads to safer and more confident living or working environment. So thank you for watching my presentation.